Today we're talking about critical soft skills for project managers. Well, in some of our previous whiteboard sessions, we've talked about the technical skills for project managers. We've also talked about behaviors or other qualities of project managers. But in today's whiteboard session, I want to focus on the soft skills. Well, sometimes we say the soft skills are the hard skills. Well, why is that? Because when we talk about soft skills, we're typically talking about human-to-human interaction. We have to consider things like different thinking styles, different perspectives, and trying to get people on a team to think commonly and drive results. So why is this so important? Well, we've seen the soft skills is where a project can ultimately fail or succeed. So let's talk about some of the soft skills. Well, as a project manager, it's very important to be able to cast a vision for the team. Let them know, where are we going? Why are we even going? And ultimately, how are we going to get there? What's our blueprint? And through that, the project manager needs to be able to lead the team. They need to be able to inspire them, sometimes during some difficult circumstances. They also need to be able to make complex things simple, whether it's topics or plans, or maybe even some negotiating between different groups. So through that, they may be able to teach, educate, or deliver different types of information. So they also need to be able to get buy-in, sometimes from stakeholders, the executive teams, other team members, and even sometimes vendor partners. And because of that, they need to be able to influence others. They need to be able to collaborate effectively, and they also need to be able to negotiate. They also need to be able to coach and mentor different members of the team, and through that, they need to be able to impact them and encourage them, sometimes in getting through some fears or maybe some things they've never done before. So the common thread is between all of these is communication. So being able to communicate is a very critical soft skill. Being able to speak clearly and listen intently. So when we speak clearly is being able to deliver a clear and concise message for the team. Being able to do that for people with different thinking styles, people with different perspectives. Also being able to listen intently, being able to ask some of the right questions and listen to what the person is saying. And more importantly, sometimes is listen for what they're not saying. So as a project manager, through all of these skills is being able to create solutions, being able to execute a plan to get results, build a team, and sometimes manage a crisis. So if you need additional resources for soft skills, then sign up for our software now at projectmanager.com.